Equality Street is a group that was started in Caldecott, firstly in school, to do work for young people, by young people, to help tackle issues of discrimination around equality and diversity. We have done quite a lot of things, like we did the Pride in the summer and a lot of people came to that event, and it was an event to help everyone in the area learn more about the issues of discrimination and LGBT plus issues.
It's helped me feel happy with how I identify, who I am. It's helped me with a lot of self-acceptance, a lot of growth. I've come really far since when I started. Winning it would be everything. It's not quite occurred to me that that's a possibility almost. It's just what we've been wanting to do this whole time. So to know that actually that's being recognised and it's impacted a large amount of people, it hasn't sunk in yet.
So the Young Carers group is a group of 11 to 25-year-olds who meet up on a Saturday, and we do a load of different activities, including dodgeball, cooking, a load of different sport activities, and some music. It gives me like a break from home, which I think is what I need by the end of the week. It means a lot to me. You know, I've been here now for a few years, and without the club, I don't think my life would be the same as it is now.
It's helped me massively because when I'm at home, things are very hectic and I'm always constantly doing stuff. So it's a nice break away from that to kind of just relax. It's a lot better to know that your people you're with understand what you're going through. I don't think people really value as much of just having time and just having space and having people that go through the same thing as you, having a place where you know that you can go, that you're safe, is immeasurable of how valuable it is to all of us, and it's helped all of us in so many ways.
Stand With Girls is a project that works with local girls groups in order to improve girls' rights across Britain. They gave us modules that we could try and learn more about the issues facing girls, not just us, but other people as well, and how to sort of solve it, and to have the right language in order to address it as well.
I've been able to partake in many opportunities because of the project. So as well as the weekly meetings that we've attended, we were able to go to the House of Lords at an event where we were able to speak with really inspirational women, and it's really good that it's the young people that have kind of been in charge of the direction we want things to go.
Personally, I think I've benefited a lot. I've made a lot of new friends. I managed to start working with Plan on other projects too, so Stand With Girls has been really pivotal in my life.